Why use scatterplots for Python correlation? Imagine trying to understand how two things are related in your data. You could look at numbers, but sometimes a picture tells the story better. That's where scatterplots come in. They are a simple yet powerful way to see the connection between two numerical variables in Python. When you plot data points as dots on a graph, with one variable on the horizontal axis and the other on the vertical, patterns start to emerge. You might see the dots forming a line that slopes up or down, indicating a positive or negative correlation. Or maybe the dots are spread out randomly, showing no clear relationship. Correlation analysis is about measuring how strongly two variables move together. The numerical value, called a correlation coefficient, gives you a quick idea. But a scatterplot shows you the full story. It reveals if the relationship is straight or curved, tight or loose, and if there are any outliers that could skew your results. Outliers are data points that don't fit the pattern and can make your correlation look weaker or stronger than it really is. Seeing these points visually helps you decide if you need to clean your data or interpret your results differently. In Python, creating scatterplots is straightforward with libraries like Matplotlib and Pandas. You just call a simple function like pltscatter, and your data appears on the screen. You can add a line that best fits the data, called a regression line, to see the overall trend more clearly. This visual cue makes it easier to understand the type of relationship you are dealing with. For example, if the line slopes upward, the variables are positively correlated, meaning as one increases, so does the other. If it slopes downward, they are negatively correlated, moving in opposite directions. Scatterplots are especially useful when comparing multiple groups or categories. You can assign different colors or markers to each group, making it easy to see if the relationship holds across categories. They also work well with correlation matrices, which show how many variables relate to each other at once. Pairwise scatterplots, called scatterplot matrices, display all possible pairs of variables, helping you spot strong or weak links quickly. Using scatterplots in Python makes your data analysis more visual and intuitive. Instead of just relying on numbers, you get a clear picture of how your data behaves. This helps in making better decisions, spotting issues early, and communicating your findings more effectively. Whether you are a beginner or experienced programmer, scatterplots are a go-to tool for understanding relationships in your data. They turn abstract numbers into visual stories that everyone can understand.